Protected Flow Manufacturing, PFM, is a robust solution designed to provide comprehensive planning tools for manufacturers to enhance their manufacturing process and improve their on-time delivery. We all realize the best-laid manufacturing plans can quickly become obsolete as soon as stuff happens. PFM quickly acknowledges the unexpected when it occurs and dynamically adjusts resource assignments in real time to head off additional problems without the need for complex finite scheduling. Rather than wasting your team's valuable time trying to plan or guess how to best use each resource, PFM dynamically adjusts the threat levels and provides real-time visibility to jobs at risk of being late, providing your team with real-time data to quickly pivot and keep jobs on track. For manufacturers with deep multi-level BOMs, PFM provides the visibility and linkage to subassemblies and supplies the production team with the correct sequence for all work to be completed. With PFM, you will be able to tell customers when they will get their orders, knowing with confidence your delivery dates are solid. Regardless of your ERP, PFM is designed to deliver quick results and can be easily deployed to work with how you already manage your shop floor production today. Whether that is as a standalone solution or integrated with your existing ERP system. Put your competition in the rearview mirror by delivering on time, every time.